Hi all, Carol here. Welcome to my channel. Well, this is going to be the second take. The first one I forgot what I was doing and messed it up, but this time I'm better prepared. I'm going to test out these colors. I'm going to see if I like them as a dirty pour. I've got a larger canvas, and if I like it on this small 10 by 10, good. This time I have a cup. The last time I just started pouring, that was silly. So we're going to layer the paint in here. I think I'll put in the metallic white at this point. I debated on which blues to use. Went back and forth, back and forth. Took them out, put them back. So I ended up with the turquoise and this aqua green, green, and then the light green, which actually I love them together. I'm gonna add some more white, just keep layering it in different orders. Not one who likes to go the same order over and over again. Out. I probably could really use some gloves all the way up to the elbows. Okay, let's see what. Well, I like those colors. Yep, all the edges, done. I think I'll do a large canvas now, the one that I have. Oh, even more is coming up. Interesting. This will be really something. Well, we'll see how it dries. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you got anything out of this, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Or if you know someone who might enjoy this content, please consider sharing. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.